Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little late. This video should be up a long time ago, but better late than not. So today's video is March BoxyCharm, and if you don't know what BoxyCharm is monthly subscription beauty box that you pay $25 a month, and you get $120 worth of beauty products. You get 5 full size product, which is amazing, and they have like a huge variation in the makeup, and now they're including a little cosmetic, like skincare stuff there, which is great. And BoxyCharm also have some addition subscription like Premium. They have a box of Luxe box, and this box, I think if I'm not mistaken, retails for $35, and you get way more than normal this one you get a month, which is great. And I'm gonna link the link below here for BoxyCharm if you guys like to check. And just one thing back is, in case that you're interested in signing up for Box Premium or box Luxe box or box of pop-up, that is like a quarter of the year subscription box that comes loaded with a lot of different lifestyle product, makeup, skincare, hair product, you name it. So many amazing products. And in order for you to subscribe for the box, you actually gotta have an active subscription box with BoxyCharm. So I'm gonna link it below, and then we're gonna try some of the products, and let me know what you think. If you have any question about BoxyCharm, I will drop in the link below. Alright, so let's do this. This is how the box comes, and this month's box is called BoxyCharm Pretty Edgy. Ooh, I like that, pretty edgy. So BoxyCharm comes with a little card here, and in this little card you have like a list all the product, a little description about, and the price for each one of the product, which is great. So this month's box, we're gonna start with the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curly Iron. That's right here. Ceramic curling iron with cool tip, compacting in design for safe for all hair type, rapid heating, compact design, tourmaline ceramic barrel, professional salon quality, fast heating up and recovery, max temperature from 190 Celsius to 307 Fahrenheit. So let's see. So it comes with a little case, and here you have a little like honest manual kind of type. So use the code BOX25 for get 25 off. Ooh, use BOX25 and get 25 off. Oh, look, they have so many different products. Yeah, so they have a bunch of different nice products here. I'm gonna link the link below for them. You can try these when we finish doing the box. We can actually try that, but first let's. That mini ceramic curling iron retails for $50. Wow, just that alone already pay for your whole box, and you have money left. Amazing. So the second thing here is Farmacy Beauty Very Cherry Cleansing Balm, and this is what it look like. I'm gonna open so we can see. And this is Farmacy Beauty, a pink cherry scent version of our best-selling green clean cleansing balm, infused with vitamin C rich acerola cherry. This nourishing facial cleanser balm melts away makeup and pollution residue, even to the boldest eye makeup and long wear foundation, easily to remove, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. If there is one thing that I love for clean my skin, is cleansing balms. Alright, let's smell this. Have a nice mild cherry smell, but it's, so let's try it on. So it comes with a little spatula here, which I thought was very nice. A little bit, I'm just gonna show you guys the texture. I'm really excited to try these, and to be honest with you guys, I think this is the first time, I'm sorry, that I try anything from Farmacy. You know, I'm not very familiar with the brand, so I'm excited to try and see what the product's about. So yeah, and this retails for $34. Wow, nice, very nice. All right, so the next thing here is Hank and Harry living in color palette, and here is the palette they're talking about. This is the living color from Hank and Harry, and this is really beautiful. The packaging is so beautiful, so artist inspired, and definitely is like a 90s 2000s inspired. So this palette retails for $27. It's a good price. Ooh, the shades are pretty, and in the back here they show you a little bit what the shade's going to look like. And the palette's really beautiful, even though I think it's a little bulky, you know, it could be a little thinner, but it's pretty. And in the back you have all the shades and the name of the shades. It has a nice size mirror, which is a plus for me. There is nothing more that turn up for me than open up eyeshadow palette and then it's not a mirror. Really have to be holding a mirror in the palette sometime. No winning. So the shades are very beautiful, so let's swatch some of this shade for you guys. This is a beautiful, like, swatch, very nice, beautiful. So now let's swatch this gold one here. Pretty. Now let's go in with this pinkish purplish one. 3 shades, and now we can try one more. Try this beautiful shade. So as you guys can see, the shades are very pigmented, and then you have here 5 metallic shade and 4 matte shade, which is very nice. So I'm looking forward to try these. We're gonna use these on one of the looks coming up. So yeah, this palette retails for $27, and definitely is worth it. You have a nice amount of shades here that you can create a numerous look, and the palette is very pretty. So yeah. So the next thing on this box is Becca Glow Gloss. Ooh, I saw this in some of the early this shade is called Camellia. Oh yes, that's definitely my shade. Brilliant. Okay, Glow Gloss. All right, so this is so pretty. Let's try this gloss. Smell like a little minty. Very beautiful shade. I love this shade. Definitely enjoy it. And this shade, like I told you guys, it's called Camellia. Yes, nice. So yeah, thumbs up for this Becca. And the next thing here is okay, I'm sorry guys. And the Becca illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines a shine of a gloss and the nourishing benefit of a balm. This gloss retail for $22, and it's so beautiful and feel so creamy on the lips and does not stick at all, so it definitely worth the $22. All right, so last thing on this March Beauty BoxyCharm is Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. Okay, so this is what it look like here. We're gonna open Spongelle's unique body wash infused buffer. Change instantly under the water as you squeeze from a sensual exfoliate massage texture as a soft and silk. Our patent technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 plus washes. Wow, and the sponge retails for $16. All right, let's let's open this sponge. That's what the sponge look like out of the box. Even though it's on the plastic, I can smell and smell really nice. And they have like if you squeeze it, you can see it's sponge, but have a consistent that have like a soap in it or some kind of product. So yeah, I'm looking forward to try this sponge. So I'm excited for try this. It's the first time that I try anything from them, so let's see. So that's all on this BoxyCharm. I hope you guys enjoy. And like I said, this is pretty edgy BoxyCharm, and it was with a lot of nice product. Here is the palette swatches, and that's all for this video. And one thing that I love about BoxyCharm, like with this sponge brand and the Farmacy Balm, is with BoxyCharm I got to know a lot of different brands that I sometimes never heard of. I'm sorry guys, I'm like a kind of traditional girl with the brands, you know. I like to like buy stuff that I'm used to the brand, so I know what I'm getting, so you don't have any surprise. But that's good, because sometimes that's not good, because sometimes, you know, it just hold me back for trying new things. But with BoxyCharm I can try new things, and they never disappointed. All the time they have fabulous box, and this month was amazing box. So big kiss for BoxyCharm, and I see you guys next video. Bye.